Hey, it's Sam Barra from Class Winners Collector Vehicles. And we're in the garage today, and we're not always out just buying or selling collector cars. A lot of times we're in here preparing them and sometimes fixing the little maladies that are there when we buy them. Usually we know about them, and we know it's going to take a little time to fix. Take this 1955 Baby Bird, Ford Thunderbird. Great car. It came to us with non-working power windows. The person we bought it from said he had a mechanic, he was an expert, work on it, managed to work without the door panels on, but couldn't get them to work, and the owner was just not interested in paying more and more to have him work on it. So he drove him without the power windows working. Well, here we actually pulled it in and got to work. Took the door panels off, and what did we find? A bunch of wires were disconnected. And a bunch of wires were connected in the wrong position. So you pushed down and the window went up. So we did what any good mechanic would do. We went looking for the electrical diagram for the 1955 Thunderbird. It's a 6-volt system. And the best thing that any amateur mechanic can learn, and really anyone who's interested in creative problem solving, learn how to read a wiring diagram. Because it's really simple. You start at the beginning, at the battery, and work your way all the way to the destination, like a window motor. And you find where everything is supposed to plug in. As it turned out, on the passenger side door, we had wires going to the wrong terminals on the relay. So using the wiring diagram, we put them in the right place and voila, they work. So after then nearly a half day of aligning the tracks, we're in business. Life's too short for ordinary cars, and it's certainly too short for cars without windows that go up and down.